Hey guys, Philipp from Pink Tassel here and welcome back to my channel. It's time for seasonal DIY and today I'm gonna show you how to arrange small bouquet of flowers in a mason jar. As you can see, I already have all the materials. I have some fresh cut flowers, I have my mason jar, and I have a chalk paint by Martha Stewart that I'm gonna apply on a jar. Chalk paint is a very heavy body, so it will require probably from 2 to 3 layers to cover the glass. The painting step is complete. I put 3 layers of chalk paint on a jar. It's completely dry right now. I'm gonna take a 1000 grit sandpaper and reveal the signs on a jar. I will add a little bit of rope and we can begin to arrange flowers. When arranging flowers in an open container like this, the first thing that you have to start with is to create a filler that will be a structure for our bouquet. For this purpose, I'm going to use this yellow solidago that I'm going to cut very short and put on the very bottom of the container. When arranging flowers in a vase, make sure that the leaves doesn't touch the water. It will make your bouquet live longer. The solidago created the volume and the structure, and now we can start placing our focal point flowers. I'll be placing flowers on different levels to create more natural look. I want to incorporate this little pumpkin to my bouquet. I put a stick inside of it and I'm gonna place it in an arrangement. The arrangement is finally complete. It can be a great gift for somebody for this holiday season. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below, and as always, craftfully yours, Philipp from Pink Tassel.